Hey guys, so Miss Ray here. I just wanted to come and say I'm really happy that I still get to create with you guys from home, and I hope that everybody's staying safe. So let's get into what we're making today. What if I told you guys that I knew how to turn almost any picture into a cartoon-like drawing? That means turning this to this, and for you to be able to color it in and remix it yourself. So I want to show you guys a few more examples. I use magazine pictures for this. My idea would be to use family photos, and since Mother's Day is coming up, why don't you guys do a portrait of your mother? So here's some examples of my work. So I took this magazine photo and I turned it to this really cool photo. I can't wait to color this in. You can take different photos or pictures from magazines and change them up. Now I can create my own perfume. I really like this one because now I can add all type of different features. And this is what I got it from. Don't you just love this one? How cool is that, ladies and gentlemen? And of course, our prime example. I like this one because you can design the coat any way you want now. Alright guys, so for this project you only need 3 materials. You'll need a washable marker, and this is very important. You'll need a plastic baggie, an image you would like to recreate, preferably a family photo or a picture of your mom, and of course some paper. Alright guys, so I have my paper ready to go. I think I am going to use this image. What I am going to do is I'm going to put down my picture. I am going to put down my bag, and then I'm simply going to begin tracing. So remember, when tracing, you want to use bold lines. You do not want to copy every detail because you want to be able to fill in these spaces with your own creations and designs. And this goes for whatever. This goes for whatever you guys might be creating. So as I'm drawing this, I'm just simply making an outline. And for my 5th grade class that did the pop art project, they should definitely know something about this. When I saw their work, they were outline professionals. So I think this has, oh, no, don't forget those shoes. And you guys see, it didn't really take too long. So that's the cool thing about it, because you can make multiple prints. So now I'm just gonna simply place my picture on top. Rub my hand nice back and forth, make sure the ink gets on there. And voila. I am going to retrace this and see how much it looks like the original image. Alright, so there you have it, folks. I think that these 2 pictures look pretty similar. And now I'm going to change up the dress. I think I might leave her face blank. And I think my mom would like a picture like this. So, and remember, you can put as much detail when you're tracing this as you want. And if you have thinner markers, it works even better. So think about the picture you might want to trace. And don't forget to share.